What up guys, this is Leo Roman here. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing guys? If you're iOS 10 and you want to go back to your fingerprint, I want to show you how to do that. It's three easy steps. So one, you go to your settings, you go to accessibility. I can't say it, so sorry guys if I mess you up. Go to your home button, you click up and you will have it back. It's easy and it will help you a lot, and it will put your fingerprint back. No one can go back to your, no one can lock your phone, so just won't charge. So you will go back to accessibility, you go down to home button, you see that's go. So if you shut it off, I'll help us the recording. You see it went back fast. So yeah, that's how you do it guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, add me on Facebook, and follow me at Snapchat. So love you guys, thank you for watching, and I see you the next time, buddy.